section 8.2, we are now graphing functions that are in the form ax squared plus c. So when we put the plus c in, our vertex will still be on the y-axis, but it's no longer at 0, 0. It's somewhere, the vertex is somewhere along the y-axis. So if c is positive, it means it moves up on the y-axis. If c is negative, it means it goes down on the y-axis. So let's graph these four. The first one, for number 6, we have g of x is equal to x squared plus 5. You can always do a table, but there's no a here. It's just 1. So your parent function is over 1 up 1 over 2 up 4. Vertex is at 0, 0. Symmetrical on the other side of the y-axis. So if that's your parent function, all you're doing is keeping that parent function and you are moving it up. So we'll write a vertical translation 5 units up. So you just take all of these and your vertex ends up being at 0, 5. Still go over 1 up 1, over 2 up 4. Over 1 up 1, over 2 up 2, 3, 4. Oops. Yeah, that means this one needed to go up 1 more. All right, and that is number 6. G of x equals x squared plus 5. For number 7, we have negative x squared minus 4. So parent function looks like this. All right, so what's happening is we have a negative a. It's still 1, but it's negative, which means that it is going to reflect in the x-axis. It's not stretching or shrinking. And then we're moving the vertex down 4. So this negative 4 means a vertical translation four units down, and the negative means it is a reflection, so it reflects in the x-axis. Okay, so let's go down 4 units. Instead of going to the right 1 up 1, we'll go to the right 1 and down 1. Instead of going to the right 2 up 4, we'll go to the right 2 down 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you are a person that really likes to do the tables, it's completely fine. You can still do your tables and get the same answers. So I'll just do a table here for an example. So you should know the rule. Your vertex is going to be at 0, negative 4. So then you know to choose 1, negative 1, negative 2, and 2. So if you have 1, we have, and I should have written, oops, come on. I should have written h of x equals for number 7. So if we have h of 1, that means we have negative and then 1 squared minus 4. Well, 1 squared is 1. Bring down the negative sign in front, minus 4, and that gives you, when x is 1, you get y is 5. If you look at our graph, that is right here. 1, and then, oh, I apologize, that should be negative 5. If you did h of 2, negative, and then 2 squared minus 4. So bring down the negative sign, and then 2 squared is 4, minus 4, negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. So when x is 2, y is negative 8, and that's what you have right there. And then it would be the same thing. If this is negative 5, this is negative 5. If this is negative 8, on the other side for x is negative 2, it would be negative 8.